Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone and welcome to our department, the Department of Pharmacy at the University of Batna II or Mus'ab bin Eid University. I am Professor Wahab Ammar, PhD in Pharmaceutics, and I am the head of the department. And I'd like first to introduce our department and a bit of history, where the department was established in 2001. I was a student there in 2002 and I graduated in 2007. I know that our department is offering a great experience when it comes to students. It is delivering all the science and the know-how required to mold the next generation of smart and engaging pharmacists and researchers. And I believe that many have graduated in the past years, and they are also helping the society and community and all the patients in getting the healthcare or in getting the health services required. Well, it is located in the heart of Batna city, near the university hospital, which allows the students to practice more in the hospital and also in different drug stores in different corners of the city. For the admission to our specialty or to this major of pharmacy, a student needs to get a baccalaureate. He needs to pass the baccalaureate exam with a good grade, and also he needs to get great grades in sciences generally, because the pharmacy major is based on all different aspects of science. Well, the exact or the minimum requirements are usually defined by the ministry from a year to another, so you need to keep up with what the ministry is saying regarding that. For the studies, the pharmacy program includes multidisciplinary education in different fields, starting from basic sciences and going to pharmaceutical sciences in the third year, and then towards the biological studies in the fourth year and the fifth year, and finally they are going to finish with a sixth year where they're going to train in different sectors in the hospital and also in the industry. The lessons generally are given in the form of theoretical teaching or lectures, and also in the form of practical teaching where they're going to practice in different laboratories, and our department contains 10 laboratories in different subjects, and also guided teaching, or what is known as TD, where they go into practice different exercises of the theoretical knowledge that they acquired in the lectures. The sixth year pharmacy now, when it comes to the last year after finishing the 5 years of studies, in the sixth year the student will go through an internship where they're going to train in different services in the hospital and drugstores, even either in the hospital or outside in the private sector. So there is like a pharmacy or a drugstore internship, and there is an internship in the hospital and clinical pharmacy. There is also an internship in exploratory biology, especially biochemistry, immunobiology and immunology, and also an internship in infectious diseases, especially in microbiology and parasitology, and finally an internship in the pharmaceutical sciences, and that depends on the contracts that we usually have with the different industries in the pharmaceutical sector. Well, the sixth year student also is required to prepare a thesis at the end of the sixth year, where he needs to develop an idea, a topic where he is going to conduct a piece of research with, of course, a supervisor, where also he tries to help the society in one of the aspects that really needed in our healthcare system. And at the end of the year, the student will defend that thesis in front of the jury, and after the validation of all the internships and also the evaluation of the oral defense, the candidate will get or will be offered the degree of a Doctor of Pharmacy. At the moment in our department we have 1,231 students in all different years, and we have also 27 residents or specialists that they succeeded in the board exam to pursue the different specialties offered at our department, of course in coordination with the ministry and in coordination with all other departments of pharmacy throughout the country. We have also 53 teachers in different ranks, from professors to senior lecturers to assistant lecturers and so on. We have this year 185 students graduated, inshallah, in 2021. And we have, as facilities, we have 10 laboratories, of course, of different subjects where the students get trained during the 5 years. For a student graduating from our department as a Doctor of Pharmacy, of course he has a horizon and he needs also to have one. And they can work in different fields of the life cycle of a drug, starting from drug development and research, and also a graduate from our department can work in the industry, can also work in clinical or biological services or laboratories, and they can also work in the regulations, which is a huge and vast area where it needs really great work in our country, and a lot of students now are keen to know about all the different regulations, either internationally or nationally or regionally. And also there is one more field where the student can work, or pharmacist can work, which is marketing, and it is also one of the areas where a Doctor of Pharmacy can exploit and advance. Well, at the end, if you need any information regarding the pharmacy specialty or regarding our department at the University of Vanuatu, you can always reach us by going to our website mentioned here on the screen. You can also call us on the phone number mentioned here, or you can send us an email to the email of the department mentioned on the screen. In case you have any other difficulties, we are always here to help you, so do not hesitate to contact us either at our department or via all the means that we mentioned earlier. You are always welcome, and thank you.
Audio Jungle.